My heartiest greetings to my viewers on my channel, Cook with Hannah. Today I am going to prepare a Pakistani village potatoes egg curry. Look how colorful and yummy it's looking. First of all, I am going to prepare ingredients for this recipe. Chop a large onion. Now I am chopping to tomatoes and to green chilies. Adding Pakistani spices, salt, red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Add water if required, and chop it well. Take 4 eggs, red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt and mix well. If you reach this section of recipe, accept special thanks. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you are watching me on YouTube, follow for more such recipes if you are with me on Facebook or Instagram. Now pour the mixture in a polythene bag and set aside. Peel of and cut 3 medium potatoes in small cubes. Now put the bag in boiling water. It will take almost 10 minutes to cook these eggs in boiling water. You also have to check if eggs are fully cooked on all sides. Take it out of bag and cut into pieces. Please give a thumbs up if you like my recipe. It will help me reach more viewers. Please also share. Next step is to take some oil in pan. Let it splutter and add potatoes to it. Fry potatoes over medium heat until light brown. When potatoes turn golden brown, take out and set aside. Also fry egg pieces. Now add curry leaves and remaining oil. Add chopped onions and fry until golden brown. Add tomato paste that we prepared. Cook well by adding water until masala is fully prepared. It will take some time, so bear patience. When masala is prepared, add 1 tablespoon yogurt. Then add potatoes and stir well. Also add fried eggs. Stir well and fry for 1 minute so flavors melt together. Add in 1 cup water to make gravy. Adjust spices. Add red bell pepper. This was the recipe for today. Hope you liked the recipe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon with another. Garnish with green coriander. Never give up.